Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. So this is the parcel I've been eagerly waiting for, and it's finally arrived. It's arrived 4 days early than expected delivery day, so I'm really pleased. And this is the S22 Ultra parcel, so I'm going to unbox now and everyday epic starts here. Okay, let's open it up. That is a nice one. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So we have a bag. I guess that's probably because I traded in a device, so this would be to send the device back in. Okay, this is the postage and package information for the recycling of the device that I'm sending, that I've traded in. I've traded in Note 8. Okay, now let's open. We have the Galaxy Watch 4 here, which I'll do a different vlog. And then in the box we have this small beautiful package, and as you can see, the S being in burgundy indicates what color my phone is. Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's move the box out of the way so we can unpack this. So here's the beautiful box. It's very small and slim, and we can see the burgundy S is very nice and sharp. So let's take the phone at the box. We'll look at the phone in a minute. Let's unbox the rest. So we have the SIM ejector here at the back, and inside we have the USB-C cable and quick start guide. Warranty conditions. There's nothing else. And the box is empty. It doesn't come with any chargers, sadly, but I have ordered the 45 watts charger, which should be coming soon. It's good that Samsung is trying to recycle. However, I feel that they're charging £44 for this charger. They should really be also trading in old chargers for buying a new one. That way they are really recycling rather than just leaving old chargers and just selling new ones. So let's look at the phone now. It feels really good to hold such a beautiful phone in my hand after such a long time as well. And the burgundy is really nice. Okay, let's take the wrap off. This is a beautiful color. It looks better here than it did in the shop. And the cameras are very nice. I'm going to keep this side of the wrap on because just that my screen protector hasn't come through yet. Once it comes, I'll take this off and put the screen protector on. Moving on, I'm going to do quick specs. So here at the front we have 40 megapixel selfie camera. On the side we have the volume rocker followed by the power button. Down here we have the S Pen followed by the speaker grill. Then we have the charging port, and next to that is the new SIM slot. So it looks like the SIM slot has moved to the bottom. This is the first, normally it's either on the side or the top. So this is the first I'm seeing of a SIM slot at the bottom. And then here on top we have a microphone. So this phone has 12 gig RAM and 512 gigabyte of storage. Let's check the S Pen out. It's a matte black S Pen. And at the bottom you have the same color as the phone, burgundy. So here we have a click button to do various action on the phone with, and the tip is quite thin and firm. It feels good to click the pen again. It feels really good in the hand. It's actually quite a heavy phone. It's solid, and I love the fact that here you can see there's no fingerprint. The price of this phone is £1,329 with a trade-in discount of £275 for a Note 8. The deal includes Galaxy Buds Pro, which is worth £219. The screen is 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. So it will be super smooth, and I'm so looking forward to playing and checking the phone out. It has dynamic AMOLED 2-time display with Vision Booster hitting 1750 nits at its peak, which means it can be brilliantly bright and perfect for outdoor usage, especially on a hot sunny day. The body of the phone is made out of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, so it's going to be a tough phone, and the frame itself is Armor aluminium. It's also IP68 Ultra and dust resistant, which is fantastic. This is Samsung's first 4nm Exynos 2200 chip, which they say is their fastest ever in a smartphone, making it ultra fast and should help with the efficient battery management. The cameras look absolutely amazing. I love the individual rings and the minimalistic look. In certain positions the cameras do look flashed, however they are not. They are slightly raised above the surface. So let's go through the specs quickly. So here we have the 40 megapixel camera for selfies. So here at the top we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and here we have the 108 megapixel wide angle camera, and here we have the 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera, and here we have the 10 megapixel 10x optical zoom telephoto camera, and here we have the laser autofocus, and this is the flash. The cameras are really nice. I really like them. Maybe Samsung's working towards completely making their cameras flash next time round, because they do look really nice. This camera is supposed to be the best in nightography, so I'm really looking forward to trying and testing the camera and the zoom camera. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a like so other like-minded people like yourself can come across this video and enjoy it too. And a subscription to our channel will be much appreciated, and do put that notification bell on for more S22 Ultra videos. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.